Yeah, hello friends, this is Sunil Pawar here and I'm back with one more video. In this video we will see the performance report, of Nifty and Bank Nifty call and put option services which I give to my paid clients. So a lot of people want to know what was the performance for the week. Last week's also I have updated the performance. This is the performance of current week. So we will understand the services and their performance in a quick review. So here I can tell you the week from 15th May to 21st of May. 15th May to 21st of May, the profit is 29,359. The profit is 29,359. Highest capital employed was 52,000, that I will tell you in detail later on. And highest profit in a day was made on 18th May and the profit was 28,189. So now let us see the performance in detail. See, the first of all, I give two services to the clients for Nifty and Bank Nifty options. In first service, this is a Nifty Express. This is Nifty Express. All these calls are updated on a website. You need ID and password to see the calls. You have to log in here. I am already logged in now. And these calls are updated on website one day before. These Nifty Express calls are updated one day before. And how to trade on these calls, you will see videos here. Now, these are the calls of Nifty Express. These calls are used only if market is not gap up or gap down. Means, as per the rules, all these calls, if you see these rules, these videos, you will find there are some rules. The rules are like this. Rules are like this. We can have a quick view at these rules. The rules are like this. For example, these are the calls of Nifty Express. Then the rule number 1 is entry in trade only when call or put crosses the entry price. Means if call crosses the entry price, then enter into call. If put crosses the entry price, then enter into put. These calls are updated one day before. So next day morning after 9:15, you can check the market. If call is crossing the entry price, then buy call. If put is crossing entry price, then buy put. Here we are not buying both. We are buying only one, which is crossing the entry price. Number 2, if option opens with gap up, if for example this option Nifty call option entry price is 183, but it opens, let us say, at 130 means below the target. If it opens below the target but above the entry price, then wait for the entry price to come. You can buy at the entry price and then you can wait for the target with the stop loss. Double the quantity. Rule number 3 is double the quantity of second trade. So second trade means if you enter into call, if does not give you target, it gives you stop loss, then exit. If call hits the stop loss, exit the trade. Then wait for put to activate. Wait for put to activate means do not enter into put immediately. Let the put cross the entry price. If it crosses the entry price, then buy 2 lots, double quantity of put. If here put is not activating and call again activating, means call hit the stop loss first and then put did not activate and call again activated, then enter into call again with double quantity. That's rule number 3. If target is hit within 2 hours, if you enter into call and if target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost for Nifty Express. If target is not hit, stop loss is also not hit. If target is not hit, stop loss is not hit, then hold for 1 or 2 days. If stop loss is hit on both sides, if you entered into call, stop loss hit, then you entered into put activated, you entered into put, then stop loss hit, then hold the trading for whole day, means then do not make any trade. Next day start first trade with 3 lots. Now the most important rule is 7th. If pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above target, then avoid and follow live market calls in fact signal. So these two services are different two services, but the rule of using these services is, if these calls are open, either call or put opens above the target, then in that case do not use pre-market calls, means do not use Nifty Express calls. In that case you see fact signal calls. These are fact signal calls. These calls are updated at 10 a.m. So you can see these calls. So any client who is subscribing for Nifty Express gets fact signal free without any cost. So fact signal is only a service which is to be used when market is gap up and gap down and you are not able to make trade in Nifty Express. So it is only a standby service, so there is no charge for fact signals. Now let us see the calls in detail. So from 15th we can see the calls here. Most important point now I want to tell you is, if we see this is 15th, this is 15th, and this is 21, this is 22. So 15th, this is the close, and this is the open. So there is no gap up, there is no big gap up, small gap up. Means as per our rules, if these calls open above target, so this happens only in a big gap up or gap down, like this is a big gap up and this is a big gap down, this is a big gap up and big gap down. So in small gap down there is no problem, Nifty Express calls will work because they do not open above the target, they open around the cost. So this is the close, this is the open, so there is no gap up. This is the close for 19th. For 19th, this is the close, this is close, and this is open. So 19th is a gap up. 19th is a gap up, but not a big gap up. 19 is a gap up. For 20, this is close, and this is open. This is also, there is absolutely no gap up. Again for 21, this is the close, and this is the open. So there is no gap up. And for 22, this is the close and this is the open. This is the close, this is the open. So there is gap down on 22. So and same for Bank Nifty. So we will check what has happened with the calls on 15th May. 15th May, these are the calls. On 15th May, Nifty put and Bank Nifty put both activated. Nifty put activated, Bank Nifty put activated. The quantity is only one lot, entry, price, target. So they hit the target. And they were booked on they were booked on targets only because they took a lot of time to hit the target. As per this rule, if target is hit within 2 hours, then only hold the trade. So they did not hit the target within 2 hours, so they were booked on target. So the profit was 2358. 2358 was the profit for 15th of May. And the calls used were Nifty Express. Because Nifty Express calls did not open above the target. 18th May, next day. 18th May, these are the calls. 18th May, these are the calls. Now, on 18th May, both put activated. This is a big day. This was a big day, big profit. On 18th May, we have made profit of 28,000. How we have made? We entered into one single lot of Nifty, single lot of Bank Nifty. Entry price was this. This was the entry price and this was the entry price. Now they hit the target within 2 hours. They hit these targets within 2 hours, and that is why, as per our rule, if target is hit within 2 hours, then hold trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost for Nifty Express and original stop loss for fact signal. So here we are using Nifty Express. Here we are using Nifty Express calls, and that is why we hold the trade with the stop loss on cost, and we carried the trade till 3:20 p.m. So close was 326 for Nifty put, and for Bank Nifty put the close was 1355.85. Entry was 536, so doubled. So both the calls almost double at closing, and that's why the profit was 28,000. So this 28,000 profit was made because of these rules. So these rules I am not discussing for the first time in this video. If you see this channel, if you see all the videos, you will find these rules have been discussed over a period of time in all the videos. And if you join this service, then if you see these videos, these are year old videos. These videos are, you will find they are very old videos. So in these videos also the same rules were discussed, and these rules have not been changed. They are same for years. Now 19th May, this was the day when it was a 19th May, it was a gap up. This was closing and this was open, so it was a gap up. So what happened? Nifty call 19th. This was 19th call. This is 19th call. Nifty call, this call, Nifty call, Bank Nifty call. Entry was 193.19. Target was 237.14. This was entry. This was entry. This was target. This was entry. This was target. So it opened at 215. So it opened above the entry price, but not above the target. So our rule is, if pre-market calls in Nifty Express open above target, then avoid. So here they did not open above the target. So opened at 215 to the cost, and they came back to the cost within first 15 minutes. So they came back to the cost within first 15 minutes. So here this was the entry. They opened at 215, but they came back to the cost within first 15 minutes, and that's why we entered into Nifty call, but it hit the target within 2 hours. So we hold the trade on the cost. We hold the trade with putting the stop loss on cost, and that cost stop loss was hit there. That's why there is no profit, zero profit, because it hit the target within 2 hours. As per rule, if it hits the target within 2 hours, then if target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. So this cost stop loss was hit in Nifty on 19th May, and that's why it was a trade exit without any profit or loss. So zero profit, zero loss. What happened with Bank Nifty calls? 19th May, these are the Bank Nifty calls. Same in Bank Nifty call, it opened above the entry price but not above the target. It opened at 710. It opened at 710 and came back to the cost within first 15 minutes. So it opened above the entry price, but it did not open above the target. That's why we wait for our entry price to come. It came down to the entry price, and then it did not hit this target at all, and it hit the stop loss, and one lot has given a loss of 3200. Then obviously, as per rule, if stop loss is hit, double the quantity of second trade when stop loss is hit. So here we entered into put, so this call hit the stop loss, and then put activated, and later on during the day put activated. So put activated, we entered into put, we double the quantity, that has also not given the target, but it has hit the stop loss. So both call and put both hit the stop loss for the day, and the loss was 9,600. The loss was 9,600, and as per the rule, if stop loss is hit on both sides, then avoid trading for the day, and next day take first trade with 3 lots. So on 20th May, this is 20th May, this is 20th May. Here again Nifty call activated, and again market was not gap up gap down. So Nifty call activated, we entered into one lot, into call with one lot, because there is no loss, no profit in Nifty, there is no loss, that's why we have not doubled our quantity, entered with one single lot, and it has hit the target within 2 hours, and then we hold the trade till close, and that is why it has given close of 175.75. entry was 107.18, and that's why it has given a profit of 5,000. So this rule has given profit. If target is hit within 2 hours, then hold the trade with stop loss on cost till 3:20 p.m. But again in Bank Nifty, because we have made loss in 3 lots, and as per rule, we in next day first trade we took with 3 lots, and it has given some profit, but then it hit the stop loss. Again these 3 lots also hit the stop loss, and there was a loss of 5,884. Then call again active. See here, this is 20th May. This call activated, it gave some profit, but then hit the stop loss. Then we exited the trade, and we were waiting for the put to activate, but put did not activate, and call again activated. So as per the rules, we entered into call with 3 lots plus 3 lots, that is 6 lot quantity. So we entered with 6 lot quantity. Capital required was hardly 44,000. And their big target was hit. This target was hit, and the profit of 11,770 was made. So this way all loss was recovered, and profit was 11,000. This profit was for the day. 5,000 minus 58 plus 11 is equal to 11,028. These profits are for the day profit. So 15th May profit, 18th May profit, 19th May loss, 20th May profit. Now let us see 21st May. 21st May I have made it blue marked, because these calls were given as a demo call. This call you have seen on YouTube, these calls were given as a demo calls also. This is 21st May. This is the call. Here Nifty call activated very late, that is around 2 o'clock, and it did not give the target. This was the entry, this was the target, but it hit the stop loss. So, and we have entered into double lot. Why double lot? Why we entered into 2 lots? On expiry day every Thursday trade with 2 lots. Exit 1 lot on target, carry other lot till 3:20 p.m. So that was the rule. So we entered, and both the lots have hit the stop loss, so there was a loss of 4,000. Now Nifty Express, same cost Nifty Express, because there was no gap up gap down, and you have seen that in demo call, because this was given on a demo call on a Telegram channel, on YouTube channel, on Facebook page, Facebook account, everywhere this call was given as a demo call. Now Bank Nifty call activated, we entered with 2 lots. So this call activated, it has given target. So 1 lot was booked on target, other lot was carried till 3:20 p.m. with stop loss on cost. Why stop loss on cost? Because these are the Nifty Express calls. So Nifty Express calls should be carried with the stop loss on cost. So because this call reversed, and this cost stop loss was hit, so trade was closed with zero profit, zero loss. So for the day there was a loss of 2600. So there was a loss of 2600, and this is how the total profit for the week was 29,359. So here the loss in Nifty was made, and that is why next day, that is next series, Friday, first trade was taken with, here we have made loss on two lots. We have made loss on two lots, double quantity. That is why we made entry with a double quantity, that is 300 quantity, means 4 lot of Nifty Express. It required 37,000 capital, and it hit the target, and that's why the trade was booked on target, and it has given profit of 4,590. So this loss was recovered immediately next day. On Friday. Bank Nifty call also activated, but it hit the target within 2 hours, and that's why we carried this call, because this was again a Nifty Express call. We carried this call with the stop loss on cost. Stop loss was hit. That is why there is no profit, no loss. So here the stop loss on cost was hit. Then why not stop loss on cost in Nifty was hit? Because Nifty was a recovery trade. It is a recovery trade, and in all my videos it is told that when you are into a recovery trade, and when there is a heavy quantity like 300 units, means 4 lot, then your first target should recover loss only. So the moment target was hit, and because this was a recovery call, it was booked on target. So whenever you are into recovery call, then there is the first objective of recovering loss, and there is no objective of making more profit when you entered into heavy quantity like 3 lots, 4 lots, 6 lots. Here also I am telling, when Bank Nifty call was traded with 6 lots, there was no need of making big profit. If your loss is recovered, you exit. There is no need of waiting till target. Your loss is recovered, you exit. You will also get to surprised. You will also surprised to know these 3 lots have given sufficient profit to recover the loss. They have given sufficient profit to recover the loss. So loss was actually recovered in this trade only. But because it hit the stop loss, I have calculated as a stop loss itself to make it very clear. So friends, this was the profit report, and now you will have one question in mind. These figures, how you will check these figures? I am giving you the links. I am giving you the links by which you will cross verify this report. This report can be cross verified on NSE. In NSE, you will go to home, to products, to derivatives. Then you will go to equity derivatives, historical data, contract wise, and this way, this way you can follow this series, and this way you can come to this page where you can check the data. You just select details and check the data. Where you will go, I am telling you. This way you can check the data. This way you can check date wise, where it opened, what high it made, where it closed, everything you can check. You can cross check the entire report, and I am asking you, check it, and if there is any discrepancy, let me know. That I am telling you, this report is absolutely correct, and if you find any discrepancy, you can let me know, you can comment. See, this is NSE. You can click on products. This page will open. If you click on products, this page will open. Then you go to historical data. Here current market report, it is historical data. This is historical data. Then contract wise archives, you click on this search, you click on this search and this page will open. This page will open. So this way you can cross check the entire report and you can see 30,000 profit was made including all the losses. This is the net profit. 29,000 is the profit that is made. It is not 39,000, it is 29,000 profit that is made in Nifty and Bank Nifty within a week only. And how much capital, maximum capital is required, that I am telling you. Here it is the capital that is required. Highest capital was required, or highest capital was employed on 20th May. 20th May 44,000 plus 8,000, because this trade was closed. This trade was closed and this trade was opened. So we will calculate this capital plus this capital, because this trade was active when this trade was closed and this trade was active. So for whole day this trade and this trade was active. So capital, this capital you traded exited from this trade and put up the capital into this trade. So this capital is not calculated. This capital will be calculated. 44 plus 8, that is 52,000. So maximum capital required is 52,000. That too when the Bank Nifty lots were 6, and this 52,000 capital was required after making profit of 28,000 and 2,000. 30,000 was the profit, minus 10,000 if I calculate. So 20,000 was the profit and this 52,000 capital was required, and on 52,000 capital profit is 29,359. So friends, this is the report for the week. Keep sharing this channel and also keep sharing my YouTube, Telegram channel, Facebook page, Facebook account, so that everybody takes benefit of these demo calls which I am giving every week. These demo calls are fantastic demo calls, and they will also be able to understand how the technical trading is done, how systematic trading is done, and how every week the profit is made, particularly in index, in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.